Hi, in this short video, we're going to introduce you to collaborative slides and show you how one simple program can change the way you engage learners in your classroom. All it takes is one tool, Google Slides, and you'll have one workspace where all of your students can collaborate and work. The possibilities of integration are endless, from whole groups, small groups, virtual manipulatives. It does it all. Getting started is easy. Open up a new Google slide deck and create a learning activity. It can be as easy as giving students a blank slide to respond on, or creating a pre-made template for working. When you're ready, you just share it with students so they all have edit rights. A collaborative slide deck allows you and your students to collaborate while they are working in real time. Whether they're building words, solving a math problem, or creating on a higher level, the peer-to-peer or teacher feedback can be instant. So why would a teacher want to use this? Well, this learning activity is great for all learning modalities because kids can work together no matter where they are. As a teacher, you only have one place to check your work, and you can see responses instantly, making it a perfect exit slip. And finally, it's so versatile that if you learn this one tool, you can use it in endless ways. If this sounds like what your building needs, join us for the first round of tech workshops on collaborative slides. We'll make implementation easy and beneficial for teachers and students.